Our mission is really to help people live healthier and happier lives. It's really rooted in community and celebration and inclusiveness. And so we take that name very seriously in both our products, but also our mission, which is helping empower youth in our city of New Orleans. So our product is a line of high protein, healthy fat puffs. And what we wanted to do is really create a salty snack that you could confidently eat for lunch and skip the rest of your meal. So it fuels you. You aren't left getting this spike in blood sugar, and you feel energized and healthy. And so we have 8 grams of protein, which is nearly as much as jerky, and we use the healthy fat of avocado oil. So pretty exciting. Our target market really is young parents. So my wife and I are parents to be. And we're very focused on what we put in our bodies, but we also love snacks. And I think parents especially are looking for snacks they can both feed themselves and their kids and feel good about it. So I think our community mission and our work with youth organizations is really going to resonate with that audience as well. It's a very sincere mission that kind of runs in my family, and it's honestly very close to the hearts of myself and my wife as we prepare to have a baby. We do have another brand that's in about 1,000 stores, so we're of course going to try to leverage that existing customer base and sell our products into those stores as well. I've been in the industry for about 5 years. I think what surprised me most is we knew the level of competition was high, but I think a lot of brands and products are designed to be kind of an overnight success. And I realized that that's just not what we wanted to do. We want to build something that's very rooted in our mission, and something that's going to gain loyal followers and has lasting power. So that's something I've learned over the past 5 years that's important and that we're using as far as this brand launch. So we have raised $1 million from our manufacturer. We are opening up, though, another round, $1 million convertible note that's being led by a food venture capital fund. We really need an investor that's going to believe in our company mission and can help us scale our sales and marketing efforts. Well, I think we have a fantastic product. You'll have to taste it. We have very high taste standards in New Orleans, so I'm very proud of that. But we also have an awesome team. We have great strategic partners and backers, and I'm 150% in on this. So I'm just excited to get a partner and get to it.